Hi, and welcome to Clappia. In this video, we'll see how to control the visibility of apps in your dashboard for your users. I have logged into my Clappia workplace, and here you can see all the apps that I have created. If you have given others access to your workplace and shared apps with them, then when they log in, they will be able to see those apps as well. Now, let's take a scenario. Suppose I have these cards here that allow users to navigate to the apps that they need to go to, like so. And the rest of the apps in the dashboard do not really need to be visible to them, even though they have access to them but don't necessarily need to access them directly. So in such cases, you can actually hide the entire apps list from them. You can do this by clicking on More from the left panel and selecting Dashboard Design. Now, this is where you usually add elements to your dashboard, like images, banners, videos for announcements, or embed other things. As you can see here, I have already added elements to create these navigation cards on the dashboard. Now, there is a separate video on how to add elements to your dashboard. If you are wondering, it will be linked in the description. But for this video focusing on how to hide the apps list, just click on the settings icon over here. A right panel appears with the display condition option. Here you can give spreadsheet style formulas to control who can and cannot see the apps list. So you can use functions like if, and, or, and so on. And even pull workplace details of the user by typing @. You can see details like the user email, name, phone number, and more. So let's say I give a condition like @current user email does not equal to my email ID. Just for the sake of this demo, I have put not equals to so that it does not display it to me. Now, because I've given my own ID, I won't be able to see any apps. So going back to the dashboard, you can see there are no apps visible over here. If I remove the condition, so going back to the dashboard, I will be able to view all the apps again, like so. Keep this blank if you want all users to see the apps. Keep in mind that this display condition is only applicable to the overall apps list and not for individual apps. If you want to hide a particular app from everyone, I'll just show you that quickly. Just open the app, go to Design App, Distribute, App Publish, and on the right panel, disable this option. This app will still be visible to you as an admin, but other users will not see it in the dashboard. Okay, now going back. Over here, I used this variable. If you're wondering where this comes from and what value it takes, just go to Workplace Settings. And in your user list table, you can see attributes like the name, email address, and phone number. All of these can be used in the display condition. Now, if you have added more attributes, let's say like employee department and designation, those will also show up in the display condition. If you want to know how to add more user attributes, there is another separate video on that linked in the description. So this is how you can hide your apps list from users in your dashboard. If you have any questions while setting this up or on any other feature in Clappia, you can always raise a support request by clicking on the button over here at the top. You can select the AI option for a quicker solution or select any other option and our support team will get in touch. Thank you.